Learn basic Quran reading online in 30 days. Qalb.Life. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Qalb.Life. Have you always wanted to read the Holy Quran but felt unsure where to start? At Qalb.Life, we believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to connect with the divine words. That's why we've created a comprehensive yet simple program, Learn Basic Quran Reading in 30 Days. Our structured online course breaks down the fundamentals of Quranic reading into easy-to-follow lessons. You'll learn the Arabic alphabet, understand vowel markings, and practice connecting letters to form words, all at your own pace. Our experienced instructors provide clear pronunciation guidance, ensuring you develop a strong foundation for accurate recitation. We utilize visual aids and interactive exercises to make learning engaging and effective. Many have already embarked on this rewarding journey with Qalb.Life. They've gained the confidence and skills to begin reading the Quran, finding peace and understanding in its verses. Are you ready to take your first step towards reading the Holy Quran? Enroll in our Learn Basic Quran Reading in 30 Days course today at Qalb.Life. Unlock the beauty and wisdom of the Quran. Visit www.qalb.life and start your learning journey now. May Allah grant us understanding. Jazakallah.